Today, we're going to practice 200 daily English conversation sentences that native speakers use every single day. I've divided them into two simple parts. Part 1, 100 easy sentences for beginners. Part 2, 100 normal sentences for intermediate learners. Here's why this will help you. Your mouth learns how to form words naturally. Your brain starts thinking in English faster. Your confidence grows with every sentence. By the end of this practice, speaking English will feel much easier and more natural. But before we start, I have one request. Don't skip part 1 thinking it's too easy. Every sentence is important. Building strong foundations is like building a house. You need a solid base first. If you complete all 200 sentences with me today, I promise your English speaking will become smoother and your confidence stronger. So here's what you should do now. Get comfortable. Sit or stand in a relaxed position. Grab a notebook and pen to write new words or expressions. Find a quiet space where you can speak out loud. Turn off all distractions, phones, notifications, everything. Give me your full attention for the next few minutes. This is your moment. Your English speaking journey starts right now. Are you ready? Let's go. Part 1, 100 easy sentences for beginners. Repeat after me out loud. Don't rush. Greetings. Introductions. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? How are you today? I'm doing great, thank you. I'm doing great, thank you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Where do you come from? I come from Canada. I come from Canada. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old. What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? Tip, this means what is your job? I work as a teacher. I work as a teacher. Do you like your job? Yes, I love it very much. I need directions. Excuse me. Where is the bank? It's on the next street. How far is it from here? It's about 5 minutes away. Should I walk or take a taxi? Food. I need to buy some bread. The bakery is across the street. How much does this cost? It costs $15. Do you accept credit cards? Yes, we accept all cards. Can I pay with cash? Of course, cash is fine. I'm feeling hungry. Let's grab something to eat. I want a sandwich. Do you want anything to drink? Yes, I'll have some juice. This food looks delicious. It tastes amazing too. I'm so full now. Me too. I ate too much. Everyday situations. Let's take a short walk. That's a good idea. I feel much better now. I'm glad to hear that. What time is it now? It's 3:30. I need to leave soon. When will you come back? I'll be back by 6. My phone battery is dying. You should charge it soon. Where can I find a charger? I have one you can use. That's very kind of you. No problem at all. Appreciate it. Don't mention it. Means you're welcome. Are you free this weekend? Yes, I have no plans. Would you like to hang out? Means spend time casually. Sure, that sounds fun. What should we do together? We could watch a movie, or we could go shopping. I prefer watching a movie. Excellent, you just completed part 1. Your mouth is getting warmed up, your brain is adjusting to English patterns, and your confidence is growing. Part 2, 100 normal sentences for intermediate learners. Repeat each sentence twice for best results. I've been thinking about changing careers lately. Have you made any progress on your project? I'm still working on the final details. She mentioned something about a meeting tomorrow. I completely forgot about that appointment. Could you do me a favor? I really appreciate your support. The traffic was terrible this morning. I got stuck in a traffic jam for an hour. Means you were trapped in heavy traffic. We need to discuss this matter privately. I've been working here for 5 years. She's much better at math than I am. I'm trying to improve my cooking skills. That movie was absolutely incredible. I couldn't believe how it ended. Have you heard the latest news? No, what happened? They're opening a new shopping mall downtown. That's exciting news for everyone. I'm looking forward to checking it out. When does it officially open? It opens next month, I believe. I'll mark that on my calendar. We should go there together sometime. That would be great. Let's plan it. I'm not sure if I can make it. Just let me know when you're available. I'll check my schedule and get back to you. Means contact you later. I really need to start exercising regularly. Why don't you join a gym? I've been considering it for months. It's never too late to start. You're absolutely right about that. Maybe we could become workout partners. Exercise together for motivation? That's a brilliant idea. I'm in. Means count me in. When should we start our routine? How about next Monday? Perfect. That gives me time to prepare. I need to buy some workout clothes. There's a sports store near my house. They're having a big sale this week. I should definitely check that out. Can you send me the address? Sure. I'll text it to you right now. Thanks. You're always so helpful. I'm just happy to help a friend. How's your family doing these days? Everyone's doing well. My brother just got engaged last month. Means he proposed and she said yes. That's wonderful news. We're planning a big celebration party. When's the wedding going to be? They haven't set a date yet. Means the wedding day isn't decided. Congratulations. You just practiced all 200 sentences. Your mouth and brain are now used to English patterns, and your confidence has grown significantly. Practice again tomorrow. Repetition is key to fluency. Comment below which part helped you most, part 1 or part 2. Share this video with a friend who's learning English. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next shadowing session. Hit the like button if this video helped you speak better. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Every sentence you practice is a step forward. Keep practicing, keep improving, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next video. Let's keep speaking English with confidence. If you want, I can also create a fully rewritten version of all 200 sentences with fresher vocabulary and real-life expressions that feel more natural, so your video stands out. Do you want me to do that next?